Hi, kindergartners. Are you ready to learn the first red word of the week? Here we have the sentence, our dog is not big. Take a look again. Our dog is not big. The word underlined in red is our. Our is spelled O-U-R, and it means something that belongs to us. Our dog. It means the dog that belongs to us. And our means more than one person. Because if it were just me, I would say my dog is not big. But if I say our dog is not big, it must mean me and my husband and my kids. Our dog is not big. It means more than one person. Now, you might have remembered the word hour when we talked about time and we talked about the hour. That is not spelled O-U-R. That is actually spelled H-O-U-R. And it's more of a red word than O-U-R. O-U-R actually isn't a red word because O-U says ow and R says So our. It's not really a red word, but it's a word we use a lot when we write. So we put it as one of our red words. One of our red words. Did you hear that? Okay. Let's tap it out. My one left-handed friend, bring your right arm around, put your left hand on your right wrist, and you're tapping O-U-R, wrist, elbow, shoulder. The rest of us, bring your left arm around, put your right hand on your left shoulder. You're tapping shoulder, elbow, wrist, O-U-R. Ready? Here we go. Our, O-U-R, our. Again. O-U-R, our. One more time. O-U-R, our. Great job. Are you ready to write it? Go ahead and take your red word paper, your red folder, your bumpy screen, and your red crayon. Go ahead and put your bumpy screen under the word our. And take your red crayon and go ahead and trace O-U-R. And then put down your crayon and trace 3 times. O-U-R. Our. Again. O-U-R. Our. One more time. O-U-R. Our. Take the bumpy screen out and then you can write it 3 times. Our. 1, O-U-R, our. 2, and O-U-R, our. 3. Then you can turn over your paper and try to remember how to write our. O-U-R, our. Now go ahead and write a sentence. Our pool is filled. Our bills are due. Our tummies are rumbling. Whatever you want to write. And then when you are finished, you can put your paper in your red folder. Remember, you should have cleaned out word list 4, so it should be nice and new for the beginning of word list 5. And then you can put your red crayon away and your bumpy screen away. And before you're finished, you need to get your word list 5 and add the word our. Now you're finished. Have a great day.